According to WHO estimates, around 1 billion people catch the flu every year, and 650,000 people die from it. In many cases, viruses such as the flu and others come from animals, and we are not naturally immune to them. In this day and age, in which we fear having severe abnormal symptoms, we wonder, is there a way for each individual to take measures to prevent these illnesses? Hello, I am the developer of Snap Fever. Snap Fever is a contactless thermometer. It is in the form of a clip, which is easily detachable. By connecting to the application, it measures the user's body temperature in real time, sends the data, and digitizes it. As taking care of immunity and hygiene became a priority these days, this product helps you to safely protect your body from viruses. One of the major traits of Snap Fever is its portability. It only weighs 50 grams, which is 1/5 of the weight of a smartphone we always carry with us. It is in the form of a clip, which is easily detachable. At the same time, it has a Bluetooth connecting function, which allows it to easily pair with the application through a simple setup. Snap Fever measures the user's body temperature in real time, sends the data, and digitizes it. Moreover, it records the information in a hygienic and accurate manner, as it just needs to be clipped onto a hat, unlike the device that measures through the mouth. Snap Fever can be worn in many different ways. It can be easily worn in daily life and while working out. Children, teenagers, and the elderly who are more vulnerable to the virus can effectively manage their health by checking their body temperature. Also, healthcare providers, soldiers, and others who are potentially exposed to the dangerous virus can check their temperature and even determine their locations through the GPS function. We have developed Snap Fever by hoping that it can be a way to manage and protect our bodies against viruses. So, we took our first step to select Kickstarter, which is the #1 crowdfunding platform in our world. We believe that our backers will support us throughout our journey. Break away from your fear of viruses with Snap Fever.